Hi YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to make an infinite lava farm. I'll tell you the materials. 2 cauldrons, 20 blocks that can't catch on fire, 2 buckets of lava, and 2 pointed dripstone. So to get started, you place 2 cauldrons like that. Then build up 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, 5, 6, so 2 out, 2 at the back, then like this, and then what you do is place 2 buckets of lava, but it has to be on a bucket of lava in each block, because if it's on each block it won't work. Replace 2 pointed dripstones, and then in a few minutes it will be ready. Oh, this one already filled up. That was quick. This one will eventually also fill up. Then you can get a bucket and fill it up. Okay, see you guys.